Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is across. 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 Across is a preposition and adverb that is used to indicate movement or position from one side to another, often suggesting a traversal or passage over a surface, distance, or obstacle. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she walked across the bridge to get to the other side of the river. Why across is used in example number 1. Across is used to show the direction of the walk from one side to the other. Example number 2, the cat leaped across the fence to reach the neighbor's yard. Why across is used in example number 2. Across indicates the direction of the cat's movement over the fence. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.